Most coaches think that if they build a community that they are going to be stuck essentially just being a community manager. Babysitting threads, chasing engagement, running a call every week. That is not the truth. You can actually design a community that fuels your coaching business, consulting business, whatever business it is that you have. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a boutique style community that grows your visibility, supports your clients, and helps you make more money, all without you having to live inside of the app. And if you're ready to start showing up on YouTube and want to be able to utilize YouTube not just to attract your ideal clients, but to use it within your communities, come join us inside of the Magnetic Visibility Circle, honey. You'll get trainings, there's support, we like to have calls, all designed to help you build a magnetic YouTube channel that turns visibility into clients. The link to join us is below. So here's the tea. By the time my community was 3 weeks old, I had 34 people in my school community, and I had already made multiple 4 figures. I was not posting every day. I was not having calls every week. Actually, I tried to have a free weekly call and nobody was attending them. But all of that aside, stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to pull this off. And I promise you, it is a lot simpler than you think. Okay, so you might be thinking, Quiana, doesn't school only really work if you're hyperactive, posting all the time, responding to everybody's comments? What if I don't have time to manage everyone? Oh, let's talk about why that's the biggest misconception, Bookie. So I want you to think of your school community like a boutique hotel. Guests don't book and stay because the owner or the manager is just always in the lobby. They come for the experience, honey. The vibe, the curation, the service that runs beautifully even when you're not there. Your community can be the same way. So let's design your boutique experience. There are 3 areas that matter. 1, we have the lobby, which is your free community. This is where people first meet your energy. It's light, it's warm, it's inviting, and it gives them just a little tasty taste of the transformation that you help people with. The second area are the suites. So these are your paid offers, which live in your school community. So some of your guests are going to move from the lobby and they're going to check in for a deeper experience. That's your programs, that's your coaching, that's the services that you provide. And that's where real deeper transformation actually happens. Now the third area, and my favorite, is the concierge, because that is your content system. Your YouTube videos are actually the concierge desk. So each video that you create is answering a question, it's solving a problem, it's offering a solution, and it's guiding your viewers to the next right room for them. Now, maybe you're wondering, but Quiana, I barely have time to coach my clients. How am I supposed to run all of that? Boo. That is where the magic of strategy comes in. So remember earlier when I told you that I made multiple 4 figures with 34 people in my school community? Here's how I'm doing it, and here's how you can get started doing the same thing. 1, my YouTube videos actually double as teaching tools for my community. So every video that I create for my channel is not just for views. It's not for trying to go viral. It is actually for transformation. So my YouTube videos typically are little mini micro trainings that if you take what I teach you in my videos, you will have a shift. You will see a result. So positioning my YouTube videos within my free community allows my members to have a space where they can watch the videos, they can implement, and they can come back and share what worked for them, what didn't work, what they tried, or whatever the case may be. And when someone now joins my community, typically if they're coming from my YouTube videos, they've already been coached by me before we even speak. Number 2, one YouTube video gives me 30 plus pieces of content to play around with for the week. So that includes Facebook posts, Instagram Reel scripts, carousels, and even community posts. So it's content that can keep the conversation going without me having to really show up and even think about what to post every day. My YouTube is the fuel, and my community becomes the container that just keeps the energy alive. 3, and I think that you're really gonna love this one, is your client work becomes your best sales strategy in your free community. Working with your clients and having them maybe share their homework, their ahas and takeaways, maybe from the group calls, their wins. This is like in real time, live case study. And what happens is your free members, they're not now just relying on you sharing screenshots of testimonials. They are seeing in real time other people working with you and the results that they're getting, the experience that they are having, and they are starting to drool for a little bit of it. Their mouth is starting to water. They're kind of like, oh, I wasn't sure if I wanted to work with her, but I see how she works with her clients. I'm seeing the results again. I'm actively in the energy of this, but I don't have access. I want access. It is the most authentic form of marketing because it is just so natural. There's no part of this that you can fake because it's not reliant upon you. This is all on the engagement from your current clients that you're already working with. Now, the very simple thing that I did to make the multiple 4 figures with just 34 people in my community is I made a simple post in my school community and I pinned it, and I literally just said, I'm looking for 8 coaches, consultants, and course creators. I am starting this program on this particular date, and this is what we're going to do. And we're going to build your YouTube channel. Here are the outcomes. Here's the benefits. If you want more, comment this particular word in the comments and I'll send you the information. And it was that simple. I actually had more than the 8 people commenting and wanting to get more information about the particular program that I was going to be running. I didn't have to DM people. I didn't have to chase people because the entire system was already working. Everything that we just covered, they come into the community. There's trainings there that are my YouTube videos because I designed my YouTube videos a particular way, not having to post every day, but even when I would post, I was very particular about recognizing what everyone's struggles are, their problems, where they're at. I'm asking questions and I'm getting to know the members so I know what kind of content to even create for my community. So it's not really about working harder now, is it? No, but it's about designing a YouTube strategy and a school strategy that work together. So my love bug, if you are ready to build a YouTube channel that can attract your dream clients and feeds an engaged community that can almost kind of run itself, then come join us inside the Magnetic Visibility Circle. The link to join us is below. And to help you get started right now, go ahead and watch this video next where I'm gonna give you 3 amazing GPT prompts for you to use that'll turn your actual videos into community engagement for your communities. I'll see you over there, boo.